I'm starting with a model from Sketchfab, just for this test. I've been working on painting tools inside QtMeshEditor. You can paint directly on the mesh to quickly test colors and materials. Right now it's still an MVP, but the core workflow is already usable. You can move around the model and apply changes in real time while previewing the results. For this test, I'm turning this monk into a mage. Starting with the brush, I can block in the main colors. Then I use the smudge tool to blend everything together and make it feel more natural. Here I'm painting a fire symbol on the robe, using the brush to define the shape, and then the smudge tool to soften the edges and give it a more organic look. This kind of quick iteration is where this workflow really helps. The goal is to make fast, in-editor adjustments as part of your asset pipeline. There's still a lot to improve, but it's a solid first step. If you want to try it, the link is in the description.